Hello, welcome to Developer Tips. Have you come across a situation when you try to open a zip file which is password protected, and you either do not have the password, or you have forgotten the password? This happens to me many times. I have found a solution, and will show you how you can retrieve the password in this video. Hope it benefits you. Let's get started. You will first need to install a program called fcrackzip. I will put the link on the description area below. Not to worry, you do not even have to refer to this website if you don't want to. The installation is very easy and quick. Let's go to this website by pasting the link onto your browser. To install fcrackzip, simply go to the terminal. cd to the folder where your protected zip file is located. Type the command, brew install fcrackzip. Hit enter, and wait for the installation to complete. fcrackzip is now installed successfully. Now let's try to unzip a password protected file. I have prepared a demo.zip file which is encrypted with a password. Let's unzip it without a password and see what happens. Type unzip demo.zip to decompress the file. Notice you will be prompted with a password. If you enter the wrong password for 3 times, the program will exit, and the file will not be unzipped. Let's use fcrackzip to analyze, and see if we can retrieve the password. It will be using the brute force method to recover the password. It is now analyzing the password. Please be patient, and wait a while for the result. The duration will depend on the complexity of the password. Great. Password found. The password is 0199. You now have the password to access the protected file. Let's see if it works. Let's unzip the file with the correct password. You can see that the file has been unzipped successfully. If you display the files in the folder, you will see 2 files. Demo.txt, and demo.zip. Demo.txt is the extracted file. Now output the content of demo.txt, and you will see that the file has this information. Congratulations! You have successfully extracted a protected zip file without knowing the password. Hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please leave your comment below, and I will reply to you the soonest possible.